Hey look, more OG silhouettes adapted with the Vapormax Outsole. What's going on everyone? My name is John, you're watching Solepost and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Nike Air Vapormax 95 in the neon colorway. Now par for the course this year, we've had plenty of Air Max silhouettes that have been adapted with the Vapormax Outsole, and the Air Vapormax 95 is no different. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard red and white Nike sportswear box, and the colorway is black, volt, and medium ash. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features the classic Air Max 95 upper with the Vapormax outsole in a matching color. Taking a look at the toe, you've got the gray Suede Toe Box, as well as the mesh detailing for the toe cap. For the tongue, you've got the white mesh tongue with the 3M detailing on the tongue, as well as the green and black eye stays. And you've got the classic Air Max logo in green, gray, and black. The insole is black with the neon Vapormax word logo and a Nike swoosh. For the lateral, you've got the various shades of gray along with the 3M detailing, and you've got the Nike swoosh in neon green by the heel. The heel features the gray 3M panel along with the black Nike swoosh, and it's embossed. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you got the gray panels as well as the mesh detailing, but you don't have the green Nike swoosh. The shoe features a black midsole, and the outsole is a black and green Vapormax outsole. I'm actually in love with this pair. This shoe is actually really dope. The quality on it is actually really amazing. The suede on here is actually really soft, and I'm a big fan of it. So this Vapormax rendition is a hit for Nike. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. Nike Air Vapormax 95 Neon hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on August 16th for a retail price of $190. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out Solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.